We fishing Florida for a reason. Hey, man, welcome back to Fishing Florida, bro. Hey, I told y'all we gonna be out here. We out here, all right? All right, we out here. That's all that matters. Is that we here, okay? We here. So with that being said, we here. Man, listen. This morning we're gonna try to get on some snapper, and then guess where we going? I'm finna surprise y'all. I'm gonna surprise y'all on where we going, y'all. I got my boy Rick with me, so I'm gonna surprise y'all where the next stop is. We only here for like an hour and a half, all right? Got that secret weapon on me. Yeah. Y'all see he running at him? Hey y'all, we grabbing shells and sheep. Yeah, tell them, bro. As we grabbing.
They're coming up eating the bait.
They're coming up.
You know what we finna do?
Eating the bait.
Hey, one thing you smack, y'all.
There go one right there. Oh, y'all watching it. Y'all watching it. Huh? Oh, come on. Oh, a big one. Got him. Oh, got him. Oh, got him.
Y'all watching it, okay? Y'all watching it, okay?
Hey.
They watching it, okay?
We gonna let this little guy go though. He bite. Now hold on. Let me let y'all know something real quick. He's every bit of 12, but
you know who we have.
Yeah.
Bro, they are tremendous down there.
I ain't even bring my little pole.
I should have brought mine.
All right, little man. I mean, you're not little, bro, but you know, we're gonna let you go. Put you over there, let you swim. Oh my goodness. Oh, go ahead. There you go. There you go. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Snook. Gotta be a snook. Knew they was up in though. Man, he red too. I know. All right, y'all. Let's get these. There's some big snap up under here. When I say big, I'm talking about not 20 and saying about, 15, 16. Matter of fact, let's get them wild up. There we go. Let's get them wild up. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's get them boys wild up. Look. Look all these snapper everywhere, bro. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna see if we get one of these big snappers to hit. Look at this behind you, bro. You see this? Look. Got them all in a frenzy. Something got it. I wonder if that's a crab. No, I don't think that's a crab. He just pulled. So let's see, y'all. There we go. What is this? You better not say no pinfish. Why those some people would have fried you up, my boy?
Yeah, the whole greenback? Oh my goodness.
Wait, that's you? Me?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh my gosh.
That nice old lake.
Well, you know where you going. Any big fish out there feel like being generous. Okay, now Rick. Okay.
That was a nice bite right
Okay. Yeah.
Snapper. With the tapper.
He about a 9.5, maybe 10. Yeah, I ain't get it. Shoot. I ain't get it on camera, but y'all seen him. Nice one. He about, I don't know, 14, 15, somewhere up in there. Just gonna dispatch you real quick. Cut right here, y'all. Let them bleed out. You ready, Rick? Just come on, bro. Ain't no way he took it that fast, dog. There's no way. Start using that, bro. Yeah, when y'all using oysters, you gotta when y'all using oysters, know that you gotta be very gentle on the letdown, but you gotta be fast on a pull up. Oh my gosh, took it that fast. All right, y'all, let's try it again. Oh my God. Let's teach them a lesson. There we go. There we go. Let's teach them a lesson, I say. Okay. Alright, y'all, let's try it again. Hey, I use that. What's that, a praying mantis? Oh, that's a grasshopper. I use him. Put him down. See, it's just that fast, y'all. Please tell me that's him. Nah, it might not. Nah. Sorry. Oh, cause he swallowed it. Well, this show make up for yesterday, boy. You every bit of 12, but it's your lucky day. What's a nice one? Oh, when I came down. Yes, sir. Yeah. That boy Rick found a hot spot. So what? You gotta move your hammer and stuff. Alright. I think I'm on some. Oh, I am on. What's that? Oh, what's spadefish? Spadefish. Alright. Go on here. Yeah, man. That's a nice size right there. Alright, y'all. We got a little one down. Well, hope he ain't little. Being slick, so let's see if we can be slicker. Ain't no way. Oh. Nah, it was, but the hook's still buried, so I said. Got him. Here's a small one. Just think about 13. Yeah, now that he stopped moving. Yeah. Oh, that's it. They getting bigger. They'll send them down with a message. Just relax. Look. Yes, sir. Just relax. Small one. Oh, that's a nice one then. Yeah. Well, that's a wrap, folks. You did. Hey, I hope y'all really enjoyed the video, man. I apologize that it took me so long to do a video, but
I finally did one, man. It felt great. Missed the action. Hopefully this week we back out, you know, do another video, man. So I want to target grouper, man, and I know y'all gonna call me crazy, but I'm going back to Maximo. Yeah, man, I'm going back to Maximo. I need my get back. So as my kids say, hey, I need my lick back. You did? Hey, yeah. So we gonna plan that hopefully this week. But I got a bass video that I'm doing. Me and the son out just pond hopping, whatever we find on Google Earth. I think y'all will find that video quite interesting. So I'll probably be dropping that Monday or Tuesday. So hey, enjoy your weekend. Thank y'all for dropping by the channel, checking out the video, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate the love, man. And I will be doing some reaction videos to other people that's fishing and give y'all my honest opinion. You did? Y'all gonna like that. Hey, man, till next time.